Hey everybody, this is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, reminding everybody that hard drives, this is a hard drive, right? This is before SSDs, and your hard drive was on a platter, and this would read your, when you hear that spinning in your computer, it was this little mechanism here, this actuator spinning and dispinning and trying to find your data. And now is the time to talk about cloud storage. You know, data can be lost at any second. It doesn't matter how new the hard drive is, how long you've had it, how you only touch it every so month. It doesn't matter. With electronics, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So that being said, hard drives are ticking time bombs to go bad. Always think about cloud storage, data backup, external devices, all those things you guys can do to help protect your most vital information. Because sometimes we store these on our phones, on our computers, and we never know. We can just lose, we can lose our phone, our laptop can just, we can lose that too. Always having that backup. Now on our website, computersplususa.com, we have some cloud storage options for you guys to take a look at. I'm Terrence, giving you guys another tip on how you can stay protected with cloud storage. Thank you.